Hi everybody, it's Naee with my first tutorial on this simple smoky eye. I hope you guys like it. With the NYX eyebrow gel and espresso, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows darker towards the end and lighter towards the beginning of it. Using some concealer and a concealer brush, I'm going to carve out my eyebrows to give them an even shape. Using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to prime my eyelids for the eyeshadows I'm going to be applying. Setting that concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder to allow the eyeshadows to blend nicely. Using the Morphe 3502 palette and the Morphe M441, I'm going to apply Tan and Orb in the crease. Now using heat on an e.l.f. crease brush, I'm going to apply that a little below the crease. As a base for the black eyeshadow, I'm going to apply e.l.f. black liner on the lid. Blending that out with Wiz on a Morphe M506 brush. Using heat again to blend out any harsh lines. With the makeup wipe, I'm going to clean up any fallout. As a primer, I'm going to use a Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. Now, since there are no rules to makeup, I prefer to apply my contour before the foundation. So I'm going in with the LA Girl Contour Cream and blending that out with a beauty sponge. For foundation, I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation and blending it out with a Morphe Beauty Sponge. To highlight, I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Light, and I'm going to make sure I carve out the contour I applied before my foundation. And I forgot to mention before, but my beauty sponges are always damp. Setting the concealer with Laura Mercier on a damp Real Techniques sponge. Since my contour, foundation, and concealer were cream products, I'm setting that with Rimmel Matte Press Powder on a Wet n Wild flat top brush. Now using the very loved Butter Bronzer, I'm going to bronze up my face. To slightly enhance the contour we applied before the foundation, I'm going in with the same Butter Bronzer on a Contour Real Techniques brush, but this time keeping the product below the cheekbone. Now applying layers upon layers upon layers of Master Chrome Molten Gold Highlighter. Now using NYX Blush to blush. To continue with the eyeshadow, I'm using a smudge brush and applying Wiz and Heat under the lash line. Now using the same black e.l.f. liner, I'm applying that on the waterline. On the lips, I'm applying Nudist Peach by Wet n Wild, and then I'm applying a gloss on top of that. Now sealing the deal by setting all your hard work with Wet n Wild setting spray. Now if you came this far along, I thank you for bearing with me through my first tutorial. Hug and kisses, Naee. Until next time.